right now I live in Indonesia, but I used to live in Holland. And when I was 10 years old, my parents decided to move, and I just went with it. So now I'm in Indonesia.
What the feeling, shock, did you experience in Indonesia?
I think the rules are really different. So in Holland, everything is strict, and you have to follow the rules. And here in Indonesia, it's like more free of a country. So you can basically do almost anything, whatever you want, and you don't have that in Holland. So that's something that shocked me.
Why did you choose to immigrate?
I was only 10 years old, so I didn't really have an option. So I just went with my parents, and that's why, I moved to Indo.
Do you have a feeling of returning to your country?
Right now, I don't have a feeling of going back. I think I'm gonna stay here, and I don't really have plans of coming back, and I guess that's it.
And yes, how long does it take for you to get used to following?
For me, I guess it took around 2 years. I had to learn the language, I had to make new friends, and I had to learn the new traditions. And for me, that took around 2 years.
Thank you. Thank you, La.
Immigration regulation for foreigners wishing to enter Indonesia, namely everyone who wants to live or enter must have a passport. Foreigners who wish to enter Indonesia must have valid visa. Foreigners who abuse inappropriate activities can be subject to imprisonment for 500 million. Lodging administrators who do not provide information about foreigners staying will be sentenced to 3 months and a fine of 25 million. Foreigners who meet the requirements can be given a fixed date permit. Normally, foreigners holding limited stay permits who work clergy, families from mixed marriages of husband, wife, children of foreigners holding permanent residence permits. Sekian, terima kasih.